Hey, you know what time it is? It's spray foam time. Join me today as we use this fun foam once again to make some great art. Now, let's dive in. Welcome, SeaRoxxers. Well, today's wave is relatively simple, but we are going to use some fun products. We're going to start off with some modeling paste, and we're going to go big or go home. So while you're watching me craft this, I wanted to share something new with you, and that is I will now be sharing Amazon affiliate links with you for art products that I use on a regular basis. I think you know the drill, but basically I'll put a link in the description for each product that I happen to mention or use. And by clicking on that link and using that link to purchase that product, you're giving back to me as well, because I do get a little smidgen of commission from that. So I thank you in advance for helping me, and I hope that the links are able to help you as well. And with that being said, you can find the link for the modeling paste in the description. Now here comes the fun part, spray foam for wave foam. I'm going to just put it on a piece of parchment paper. You can use wax paper and then apply it to our piece. Now the last pieces we've done with spray foam you've really enjoyed. So I thought, why not? Let's do it again. So we're going to make a giant wave with lots of foam, which it couldn't be any more perfect. It's as if the foam is just designed for sea foam. I don't know. Anyway, it turns out perfect in my opinion. And you can find this on Amazon, which I will have a link for you in the description. Now the foam dries pretty quickly, and I'm going to prime it with some Rust-Oleum flat primer. That again, you can find on Amazon, and I will put the link for you in the description. Now I'm going to start building this wave with a bunch of colors and lots of layers. You've heard me say it. Layers are our friends. That's hard to say fast, but anyway, if you'd like, get yourself a reference photo if you're not sure how you want to attack a wave. And here I'm just going to go and layer in a bunch of colors until I'm happy with it. If you haven't already, I invite you to subscribe to the channel, click the bell, splash that like button, and that way we can enjoy art together. Well, I'm pretty happy how this wave is looking. I'm now going to turn my attention to the foam and differentiate the sky from the wave by putting just a little bit of kind of a blue-gray, just really pale, and just dabbing that into what would be kind of the sky and breaking all of that white up as well. And to make the spray foam pop, I used a premium white paint on top of obviously the larger foam pieces, and then left the contrasting color below. Oh, but you know me, I couldn't leave it there. I'm going to use a Deco Art pouring medium mixed with mica powder by Eye Candy and Glimmer White, and we're going to create some wet foam. And yep, I will leave those links in the description. And lastly, before we seal this piece, we're going to go through and add in all those beautiful highlights. Now to really make this wave look wet, we need to apply some contrasting varnish. I'm going to use a Liquitex Basics Varnish Matte on the sky, and then a gloss varnish on the body of the wave, and of course that beautiful foam. Hey, thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed yourself, and I hope you enjoyed another episode of What More Can We Create with Spray Foam? I invite you to join the SeaRoxxer family. Like, subscribe, and share with all your friends, salty or unsalted. And don't forget, you can find me on other social media platforms, and if you're in the market to purchase art, I also have a website and an Etsy shop. Thanks for watching, and until next time, go beach or go home.